Hello, my name is Jacob Shendo, and I will be demonstrating a submaximal cardiorespiratory fitness test using a 1-mile jog and a Rockport walking assessment. Equipment needed: proper running attire, 400-meter track, heart rate monitor, optional, pencil and paper, stopwatch, and a scale. I started off the jogging assessment by performing a 2 to 3 minute dynamic warm-up consisting of air squats and side lateral stretches. The jogging assessment is typically used for men and women between the ages of 18 and 29 years of age, with men having a minimum completion time of 8 minutes and women 9 minutes. After completing my 1-mile jogging assessment, I took my post-exercise heart rate and my cardiorespiratory artery. I took my index finger and middle finger and my cardiorespiratory artery, feeling the palpitations for 15 seconds and multiplying that number by 4. I also took it at my radial site as well. One thing you want to keep in mind when doing the jogging assessment is that it is not a maximal test. You do not want to run the mile. You want to keep a steady pace without stopping. Moving on to the walking Rockport assessment, I also performed a dynamic warm-up stretch for 5 to 10 minutes. The walking assessment is intended for men and women 20 to 69 years of age, but is also good for sedentary populations and older populations. The goal of this assessment is to walk the mile as quickly as possible without running. After completing the walk, I then took my heart rate at both my cardiorespiratory and radial site, just as the jogging assessment. After completing our submaximal jog, the final values for post-exercise heart rate were 112 and time was 7 minutes and 45 seconds. When converting to decimal, it was 7.75 minutes. Now that we have our values for the 1-mile jog, we are going to implement them to this following formula. The following formula is going to have my example value that we got from this assessment. After calculating, I have just received a value of 64.2 milliliters for my maximum oxygen uptake. For the Rockport walking test, the results were 109 post-exercise heart rate per minute and 12 minutes for the duration of this assessment. Now we're going to estimate our maximum oxygen uptake from the Rockport test. The values are used from the results that retrieved from the test itself. After calculating everything, the maximum oxygen uptake was 62 milliliters per kilogram per minute.